If you want to set up a secure folder on the Motorola signature, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down until you find the Security and Privacy. Now we're gonna scroll down again and look for more Security and Privacy. Then we can look for the secure folder, so we can tap over here. You can of course allow the secure folder to send you notifications if you want to. Then we can tap on Continue, then use the arrow over here in order to keep going. And you might need to use a Google account in order to be able to automatically update apps and backup data inside the secure folder. So in my case, I'm just gonna sign into my Google account that I already have on my phone to make it easier. Then you can choose the password that you want to use for the secure folder. In my case, I'm just gonna use a pattern. Let's say I'm gonna choose this kind of pattern. There we go. We need to enter our password twice in order to confirm. You can also use fingerprint in order to be able to unlock the secure folder, although it is not really necessary to do so. And there we go, we have the secure folder created. In here, you can press this plus button in the bottom right corner in order to add apps into the secure folder. So let's say I can go over here and choose, let's say Facebook, and I'm gonna add it into the secure folder. As you can see, I have now it in here. In the upper right corner, we also have the Play Store, so you can install apps from the Play Store within the secure folder. This also means that if you have something installed on your phone, generally speaking, you can install it again in the secure folder because it is like a separate space. As you can see here, I can install TikTok, but if I go to the app drawer, you will notice that I already have TikTok. So, of course, the secure folder can be found, for example, in the app drawer, so you should be able to find it quite easily. Here in the upper left corner, we have some additional settings. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.